Setting up CreditSaint credit tips is a straightforward process that can help you improve your credit score and manage your finances effectively. To get started, first go to the CreditSaint website and sign up for an account. This will give you access to a range of tools and resources designed to help you monitor and improve your credit. Once you have signed up, the first step is to check your credit report. CreditSaint provides you with a free credit report and score, which you can use to identify areas for improvement. Look for any errors or inaccuracies on your report, as these can have a negative impact on your credit score. Next, set up credit monitoring alerts. These alerts will notify you of any changes to your credit report, helping you to stay on top of your credit and prevent identity theft. You can also use CreditSaint's credit score simulator to see how different actions, such as paying off debt or opening a new credit account, may affect your credit score. Another key feature of CreditSaint is its credit repair tools. If you have negative marks on your credit report, such as late payments or collections, CreditSaint can help you to dispute these and have them removed. This can have a significant impact on your credit score and can help you to qualify for better loan and credit rates. In addition to these tools, CreditSaint also provides a range of educational resources and tips to help you improve your credit. These include advice on how to manage your debt, how to avoid credit pitfalls, and how to build a positive credit history. By following these tips and using the tools provided by CreditSaint, you can take control of your credit and start building a stronger financial future. Overall, setting up CreditSaint credit tips is a simple and effective way to improve your credit score and manage your finances. By following the steps outlined above, you can start to build a better credit profile and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always monitor your credit report, set up alerts, and use the credit repair tools and educational resources provided by CreditSaint to get the most out of the service.